We are back. With another video. That's right. So turn that to there, so you guys can actually freaking hear me. And let's get right to save one. Here we are. Oh, I forgot. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's do that. I forgot how I think we're supposed to go in here. Yeah. We gotta get out of here. Wait, actually, let's steal his jam. Can he follow us? I don't think he can follow us. Oh, yes he can. Yes he can. Keep on running, you little goose. Stop following me. Frick you, bruh. Ooh, what's this? It's soccer Goose. Alright. What are we supposed to do? Break the broom? Okay. Hey, where's the broom? Oh, there's the broom. Oh, break the broom. Break the broom. How do I break the broom? Let's see how we're gonna be able to break the broom. You know, actually, you know what? I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just gonna piss this guy off. It's Goose Country. So what can we do? I'm just gonna take his plane. See if we can do it this. Alright. He's chasing me, but now he's a little wimp, so. No. What are you gonna do? Where's your broom? I took it. Let's just give it back to be nice. Let's just do that. Let's play. Wanna play a broom game with me? Hey, there. There you go. Hey. Wait, can you grab it? No. Hey, let's go. I'm taking this with me now. How about screw you? We're gonna take this out on a ride. No. Stop following me. No. These people suck. So we're gonna trap the boy in the phone booth. Gotcha. Crap, my controllers just died. There we go. Here we go. Now we're actually back with some batteries. Wow. I'll just take his shoe if I can. Let me take his shoes. Let's chase him. Yay! Instead, we'll just intellectual Goose. We'll just be intellectual Goose. Very intellectual Goose. He does not hurt anyone. He's just a very smart goose. Look, I gave it back to him. Isn't that funny? Isn't that a nice thing to do? Now, Run! Get him in the phone booth. Get him in the phone booth. Get him in the phone booth. Alright. What do we have now? So how are we going to make the boy wear the wrong glasses? Let's look around for some glasses. Hey lady, do you have any glasses? Oh no? Alright, whatever man. I'm just take all this stuff and put it all out of here. You can never push the goose out. It's not possible. Never. Time to go back to killing this kid. Wait. How? So make the boy wear the wrong glasses. How are we gonna do that? There we go. Run, little dude. I'll take those. Sophisticated. Alright. Put that there. And where can we find some glasses? Probably here. Oh, right here. Run, run, run. Give these to the boy. Mission accomplished. Go away, go away. I don't like you. Alright, so the next one is make someone buy back their own stuff. How are we gonna do this? So I know he has an airplane. So I'm guessing like it can only be the airplane. So like maybe if you like put it in here, maybe like put this here, run out quickly. Now quickly. No, I guess not. Wait. Oh. Dang it, I thought. Give me it. Give it. I will revolt against you. You're gonna have to eventually let me in sooner or later. Let's take this kid's toy. Come here. Come here. I'm trying to run, bro. Leave me alone. Alright, so how are we gonna get this kid to stop freaking walking away? No. Give me back. I must be sophisticated, duck. Give me back the glasses. I need the glasses back right now. So how are we gonna make him do this? So we gotta... No. Give me... Give me your glasses right now. Keep on coming to the waddle duck. I mean goose. Sorry. There you go. You found your glasses. Focus on him. He's stealing it. So I think how we should do this is get the plane because that's one of his. Get the plane. That's one of his. Get it and try to get it back, but now he just stole it. I mean, didn't steal it, but he got it back. So we're gonna try to place it right here. No. Hey. Wait, we did it? We did it, bruh. We did it, boys. We did it, boys. Alright, so our main objective is get on TV. So I did see a TV place. Let's go to the TV place. Alright, so here we are. So let's scare him in there because I know that he gets scared and then he'll call her out. He'll call her to be outside. And then we'll have an open. We'll be open to do it. go. Yeah. Yeah, look at me. Don't stare at me. I swear I will put you back in that telephone booth if I have to. So, our main objectives is go shop, put in the basket, toothbrush. So I'm guessing this is the basket. Toothbrush, where's the toothbrush? I need the toothbrush. Where's the toothbrush? Where's the toothbrush? Alright, so instead of toothbrush first, let's go toilet paper. Let's get that. Give me that. No. Fine. I'll go somewhere else then. Take this. Take this. Take all of this. Because I hate you. So I finally got the toilet paper. Finally got it. And let's put it there. Let's get the shopping basket. This is gonna be a long day. There we go. You're a natural goose. Alright, where to go? What do I do? Hairbrush. Nope. So I have to go around. Get this. Run. Skeet. Are you gonna get me now? Go away, you're so annoying. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the carrot. We got the vegetable. Come on. Jesus. Here we go. After that, we finally got it. Where are you going after? Let's get her attention with this. No! I need it. Give me it. Give me that. Give it to me. Is she still following me? No, she isn't. That's good. So now we have to get 10 food. Hey, get away from me. 10 food. And get 10 food right there. So we have to wait for her to have her back to us. Just run. Run with the 10 food. Hopefully this counts as 10 food. Come on, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. No, you can't. So, where can we find a cleaner? So, I don't see a cleaner anywhere here. Maybe it's not here. Maybe it's like... Oh, how... Look at that. Oh, that's funny. Alright. Let's see if we can make it to the bin and put it in first try. Alright, so we're still looking for the toothbrush. Where's the toothbrush? Flower. No, alright, I don't see any toothbrush. Let's see where else we can find toothbrush. Let's see what is in the bin. There. Oh, is that a toothbrush? A perfectly good toothbrush? It'd be way easier if you could just pick it up, right? Yes. Yes! We did it, boys! Now time for the moment of truth. Lay it down. Boom. Let's go! So let us find the garage. Wait. Yeah, garage. Isn't it like over here or something? Yeah. So let's drag something in here. Put this here. How are we gonna trap her though? Oh, we can just do that. Get freaking wrecked. How was our list? Let's go. Bye, kid. Even though you're not a kid. So I hope you guys enjoy. Screw you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you really like the video. And make sure just comment and turn on notifications too. That really does help a lot. And can't wait to see you all in the next video. See you guys later.